The air is cool, the days are shorter, and there's something magical happening in the garden. Fall has arrived. This is the season when your small yard can be transformed into something breathtaking. Imagine stepping outside and seeing colors that lift your heart, a little haven that makes neighbors stop and stare. You don't need acres of land. You don't need to break your back. All you need are the right trees, and fall is the moment to plant them. Today, I'll show you how. Because this season gives your trees the best chance to thrive, and I'll take you through 8 of the most gorgeous ornamental trees perfectly suited for small yards. Each one brings beauty, grace, and ease of care, so you can enjoy your garden without worry. Before we get started, if you love gardening tips that keep your hands in the soil and your heart full, make sure you subscribe right now. I've got so much more to share with you this fall, and I don't want you to miss a single moment. Let me share something I've seen again and again. I once helped a retired teacher plant a Japanese maple in her narrow front yard. She told me she felt her space was too small to be beautiful, too late in life to start fresh. We planted that tree one cool October afternoon. By the next fall, her yard became the talk of the block. Neighbors stopped to admire it, and every time she looked out her window, she felt a spark of pride. That's what fall planting does. It gives you a sense of renewal, a reminder that beauty isn't only for big spaces or young hands. It's for anyone willing to plant at the right time with the right tree. So let's get started. Tree 1, Japanese maple. If there's one tree that turns a small yard into a jewel box, it's the Japanese maple. This is a kind of tree that makes you stop in your tracks, the kind of beauty you don't just look at, you feel it. Japanese maples come in graceful shapes, with lace-like leaves that glow red, orange, or purple in the fall. And here's the best part. They stay small. Many varieties, like the beloved Bloodgood or Crimson Queen, will top out around 12 to 15 feet. That's the perfect size for a small yard. They don't overwhelm, they complement. For seniors, this tree is a dream. Why? It grows slowly. That means less pruning, less upkeep, less stress. Once you plant it in fall, give it a little mulch and a good drink of water. It rewards you year after year with colors so rich it feels painted. Think about it. Instead of staring out at a blank fence or a patch of grass, you could have a living piece of art changing color with the season. Imagine waking up on a crisp October morning, looking out your window, and seeing leaves glow like fire against cool air. That's the gift of the Japanese maple. Small tip. Place it near a window or patio where you sit often. Trees are not just about what grows outside. They're about how they make you feel inside your home. Tree 2, flowering dogwood. Now let's talk about grace. The flowering dogwood is a 4-season performer. In spring, it covers itself in soft pink or white blossoms. In summer, it holds deep green leaves. In fall, those leaves blaze red and purple. And in winter, the branches show elegant structure against the sky. It's a tree that tells a story year-round. Dogwoods are perfect for small yards because they stay between 15 and 25 feet. That's tall enough to make an impact, but never so big that it swallows your space. Many seniors love it because it attracts birds. Cardinals, robins, and thrushes come for the red berries. There's something deeply comforting about sipping tea on your porch while a dogwood tree draws wildlife to your yard. And here's another reason the dogwood is special. It holds a place in American history and folklore. In many communities, it's seen as a symbol of endurance and beauty. Planting one in your yard is like connecting with tradition, carrying forward something timeless. Practical tip: dogwoods love partial shade. If you have a corner of your yard where the afternoon sun softens, that's the perfect spot. Fall planting gives its roots time to adjust before spring blossoms arrive, so you can sit back and enjoy the show without lifting a finger come April. Tree 3, redbud. The redbud is pure joy. This is a tree that bursts into bright pink blossoms in early spring, sometimes before anything else has even woken up. Imagine the world still gray from winter, and suddenly your redbud explodes into color. For small yards, it's unbeatable. Redbuds usually stay under 20 feet, and some varieties like forest pansy have leaves that turn a deep burgundy, adding even more beauty. The branches curve in a way that feels almost artistic, like nature's own sculpture. For older gardeners, this tree is especially rewarding because it needs little from you. Plant it in fall, Let the roots take hold, and when spring comes, it performs all on its own. You don't need to climb ladders or prune aggressively. You simply enjoy. And here's a little trick. Plant it where you can see it from inside your kitchen or living room. That way, when you're doing something simple, like washing dishes or reading by the window, you'll look up and see pink blossoms glowing against the sky. It lifts your spirit day after day. If you're already imagining one of these trees in your own yard, that means your heart is in the right place. Tap that subscribe button so you'll always have fresh inspiration and practical tips right at your fingertips. Let me tell you about one of my favorite memories. A widow in her 70s once planted a red bud in her small backyard. She said she wanted something to look forward to each spring. The first year, it bloomed early, covered in pink flowers like a celebration just for her. She told me, "That tree makes me feel alive again. I sit by my window with my morning coffee, and it feels like it's smiling at me." That's the power of ornamental trees in small yards. They aren't just decorations. They are companions, silent friends that remind you every day that beauty is still around you, no matter the size of your space or the season of your life. Tree for crepe myrtle. If you want fireworks in your yard long after summer ends, the crepe myrtle is the answer. This tree is like a grand finale to the gardening season. While most plants fade as fall approaches, crepe myrtles keep the show going, exploding with rich blossoms in shades of pink, purple, red, and white. What makes them perfect for small yards? They come in dwarf varieties. You don't have to worry about a towering tree overwhelming your space. Even compact crepe myrtles give you clusters of flowers that last for weeks, stretching late into fall. And then there's the bark. As the tree matures, the bark begins to peel, revealing smooth, patterned underneath. In winter, when everything else is bare, that bark becomes a feature on its own, like nature carved art into your yard. For seniors, this is a gift. Imagine sitting with friends or family on a cool evening, looking at a tree that still glows with color when most others are already asleep for the season. Tip for seniors: plant your crepe myrtle where you can see it from your porch or patio seating. You'll get the joy of blossoms, and in the colder months, the bark will still give you something to admire. And here's a fun way to make it personal. Choose the blossom color that makes you happiest. Some love fiery reds. Others prefer soft whites that glow under moonlight. Whatever you choose, it feels like the tree is adding your signature to the garden. Tree 5, serviceberry. Now let's talk about one of my favorites, the serviceberry. This tree is what I like to call a four-season companion. Why? Because it gives you something new to enjoy every few months. In spring, it explodes with delicate white flowers. By early summer, you get edible berries sweet like blueberries that you can enjoy right off the branch or in pies. In fall, the leaves light up with blazing oranges and reds. And in winter, its smooth gray bark and branching shape stand elegantly against the snow. For seniors, this is more than a tree. It's a source of daily joy. Many older women I know love the serviceberry because it brings the birds. Robins, cedar waxwings, and cardinals flock to its berries. If you love sitting in your kitchen with a warm drink while watching birds flutter in your yard, this tree is a treasure. And here's something practical. Serviceberries are not giant trees. Most varieties stay under 20 feet, making them just right for small yards. Plus, the berries are easy to harvest. No climbing ladders or stretching dangerously. You can gather them right at arm's reach. There's also something nostalgic about the serviceberry. Many seniors remember these trees from childhood, growing wild along fields and farm edges. Planting one is like planting a memory, a bridge back to simpler times when nature was closer and life felt slower. Tree 6, crabapple. Next comes a crabapple, a tree that gives your yard not just beauty, but fragrance. Crabapples are showstoppers in spring, covering themselves with clouds of blossoms in pink, white, or rose. When the wind moves through, it feels like confetti floating across your yard. For seniors, this is a joy you can experience without leaving your home. Just open your window and the scent drifts inside. But the crabapple doesn't stop there. In fall, the leaves turn golden and small, jewel-like fruits appear, glowing against the branches. These fruits feed birds of the colder months, making your yard a hub of life even in the quiet season. For small yards, compact varieties like royal raindrops or sugar thyme fit perfectly. You don't need acres, you just need a corner, and suddenly you got a tree that transforms your space. Practical tip: if you're worried about mess, choose one of the newer disease-resistant varieties that drop minimal fruit. That way you enjoy all the beauty without the hassle. Here's what makes the crabapple special for older gardeners. It turns ordinary mornings into something extraordinary. A walk across the yard, a seat on a garden bench, and suddenly you're surrounded by fragrance, color, and life. Now, let me pause here. If any of these trees are stirring something in your heart, if you're thinking, yes, I can see that right outside my window, then don't wait. Tap that subscribe button so you'll always have fresh ideas and practical tips to make your garden a place of joy. I'll never forget visiting a grandmother who planted a crabapple just outside her kitchen window. She said, "It makes the world feel alive again." Each spring, when it bloomed, she baked bread with the window open, letting the fragrance drift in while the blossoms danced outside. Her grandchildren grew up associating that smell with her house, and to this day, they say spring never feels complete without a crabapple tree nearby. That's what these trees do. They don't just fill a space. They create experiences, anchor memories, and give you moments that matter. Tree 7, Japanese stewartia. Now, let me introduce you to a tree most people have never heard of, yet once you plant it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. The Japanese stewartia. This is not just a tree, it's a masterpiece. Stewartias are what I like to call quiet showstoppers. They don't scream for attention, but anyone who sees them never forgets them. Here's why. In summer, they bloom with camellia-like flowers, white petals with golden centers that look almost hand-painted. In fall, the leaves turn brilliant shades of red, orange, and purple. In winter, the bark peels in patches, revealing a patchwork of cinnamon, gray, and cream tones that look like a watercolor painting. For seniors, stewartia offers something invaluable: beauty that changes with the seasons without demanding heavy work. It's slow-growing, rarely needs pruning, and thrives happily once it's settled in. Plant it in fall, and it rewards you with a four-season gallery right in your yard. Light bulb tip: stewartia loves dappled sunlight. If you got a corner of your yard where morning sun filters through, that's where this tree will shine brightest. When you walk past it, you don't just see a tree. You feel calm, like it's whispering a reminder that every season has something to offer. Tree 8, witch hazel. And now, for our final tree, the one that saved its magic for when everything else is bare, the witch hazel. While most trees go silent in late fall and winter, witch hazel does the opposite. It bursts into fragrant yellow, orange, or even red blossoms, often while snow still touches the ground. Imagine that. A tree that dares to bloom when the world feels empty. For older women gardeners, this tree is like a faithful friend. It reminds you that beauty doesn't belong only to the young seasons of spring and summer. It shows up when you least expect it, lifting your spirit in the cold months when color is rare. Witch hazel is also wonderfully compact, perfect for small yards. It won't tower or crowd, and once established, it asks very little from you. Practical tip: plant witch hazel near a walkway or entrance where you'll pass by in winter. On chilly mornings, the sweet fragrance of its blooms will greet you and make even the grayest day feel brighter. If you felt inspired by these trees, and I truly hope you have, don't forget to tap that subscribe button right now. I share tips to help you create a yard that's not just pretty, but meaningful, and I'd love for you to be part of this gardening family. Let's take a breath and remember what we've covered today. 8 incredible trees, each one chosen because it fits beautifully into a small yard while bringing out the magic of the fall planting season. Japanese maple, a living jewel box of color. Flowering dogwood, grace and 4 seasons of charm. Red bud, early blossoms that bring joy to spring. Crepe myrtle, fireworks of late season color. Serviceberry, berries, birds, and memories all in one. Crabapple, fragrance, blossoms, and glowing fall fruit. Japanese stewartia, a rare gem, like owning art in your yard. Witch hazel, the tree that blooms when all others rest. Each of these trees offers more than beauty. They offer comfort, joy, and a reminder that your yard, no matter how small, can be a place of wonder. And for older women especially, these trees are partners. They don't demand constant labor. They give back more than they take. They stand quietly in your yard, waiting to lift your spirit each time you look out the window. So here's my encouragement to you. This fall, don't just watch the season pass. Plant something. Create a moment of beauty that will return to you year after year. Let your small yard tell a story, not of limits, but of possibility. And before you go, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. Let's build a community of gardeners who know that age and space don't limit beauty. They shape it. Thank you for spending this time with me. I hope your fall is filled with color, joy, and the quiet company of trees that will bless you for years to come.